In this tutorial, we learn how to multiply with fractions. Now consider the example we see here. We have 2 over 3, or 2/3, which is multiplying 4 over 5, or 4/5. When we multiply two fractions together, all we have to do is multiply their two numerators together, as well as their two denominators together. In other words, we can write that this equals to 2 times 4 over 3 times 5. Now calculating both the numerator and the denominator of this fraction leads to 2 times 4, which is 8, over 3 times 5, which is 15. And we're done. We've just multiplied these two fractions. The method we've just used could be generalized with a formula, which would look something like this. Given a fraction, a over b, which is multiplying a second fraction, c over d, then this will always equal to a times c over b times d. In other words, all we have to do is multiply the two numerators together as well as the two denominators together. Okay, now that we've seen the formula, let's look at one more example. Say we have to calculate 3 over 5 times 4 over 7. Well, following the method and the formula we've just seen, we know that to calculate this we need to multiply the two numerators together as well as multiply the two denominators together. So that would be 3 times 4 over 5 times 7. All we have to do now is calculate both the numerator and the denominator, and that would be 3 times 4, which is 12, over 5 times 7, which is 35. And we're done. We've just multiplied these two fractions.